How to create Vinted account. This will allow you to make a Vinted account on iOS devices like your iPhone or iPad, as well as Android devices like Samsung phones. So first of all, you can either go to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, type in Vinted, then you want to download and install the Vinted app. Get that, that's the first step. Then once you're on there, you can sign in with an Apple, Google or Facebook account you already have, or you can click use email to then just kind of use your email, create a new Vinted specific account without anything else. So click continue with email if you want to do that. Type in a username, your email you want to use and your password. Then you want to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you've done that, you'll be seeing a page like this. Once you've done all the verifications through the email and your phone number, etc., you want to kind of scroll through this, and then once you get to this page here, you know you're done. You'll be able to click sell on the bottom. You can buy things too, all within the Vinted app. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for my other videos.